Picked up a wireless weather station. We're going to show you how to set this up and get it running. Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up a wireless weather station. We're going to open this, show you how to get it all set up so you can check the weather without having to go outside in it, all right? Here it is. Let's open this little guy and see what all is in it, what we have to do. Okay. Box out of the way. Instruction manual. Little manual tell you how to operate everything. There's your outdoor unit right there. Batteries. Here's your indoor unit. Get this out of the way here. That little guy out of the way. Put them up there. All right. There's your wall hanger. There's your stand, so you can set it up right here. Just stand up, you can watch it. All right. First thing we got to do is put batteries in it. Let's open this little guy right here. Takes 3 AAAs, okay? Flat side is the spring. Once again, flat side to the spring. Once again, flat side to the spring. Put this little guy back on here. Oh, hear it beep. Stuff right there, we're going to set it up. Here, we'll show you how to use it. First off, we got to put batteries in the transmitter that goes outside. Double A's, uses 2 double A's. Remember, flat side to the spring. Flat side to the spring. Put your case back on. Now what you want to do is right here, be sure this is on channel 1 and that's on channel 1. That's the way it'll come. Now it's got channel 2 and 3 in case you have 2 or 3 transmitters, okay? So we got that little guy on right there. Oh, look at there. It's already beginning to work. The temperatures are not going to be right on it yet, but we'll get it started and we'll show you how to set it up, okay? Okay, we'll go to the back here. Buttons say mode, up, down, channel, or in case you got more than one transmitter, weather, alarm, you can set an alarm clock there. So if we go to mode button, hold it down for about 3 seconds and watch here. Okay, it goes into the time and all. We can go up and down right there, set it off, on. Hit the mode button again, it goes over to the year. Well, it's on 26, so we'll leave it there. Hit the mode button again, month. You can change the month. For up, this is February, so it's, let's see, up, down. There's the month, okay, for 2. All right, hit mode, and it goes over to hours. We want 12-hour time. It's not 24, so we'll leave that there. Time of the day is 3:53, so we'll set that. Take the up button, 3, hit mode again. We'll hit the down button to come to 53. Okay, hit the mode button again, and it says AM instead of PM, but we can go back and fix that. So there's your outdoor temperature. It's 51 degrees outside. The time doesn't stay on long, does it? There's your thing. It says sunny with some clouds, 26% humidity outside, indoors 75, and the humidity inside is 25%. The atmospheric pressure, it picks up automatically. It's 29.88 there, right? If you want to set your alarm, just hold that alarm button down for a few seconds and it'll come on. Now, if you want to set an alarm to wake you up or something, on the back, where it says alarm right there. Hold that for about 2 or 3 seconds. All right, see the time right there? That's 7. I'm going to leave it on 7. You can press up or down and change it. Press the alarm again. Goes to minutes. We'll leave it 7 o'clock. Press the alarm again. And see right there, that button, the little bell, that means the alarm is on. Press it again. Alarm is off. On. Off. Now I'm going to leave it off because I don't want the alarm going off. So that's how you set the alarm clock on this. Alarm. I'm going to turn that alarm off because I don't want an alarm coming up. So there it is. You see how it works. That alarm, the light will stay on for like 10 seconds or something, and unless you hit a button, it goes off. So we'll hit the little button. You can see everything there. Well, that's how you work this little guy. Set this guy up right here, and we'll just let the temperature go. It's 51 degrees. That's highest it's been outside in several days around here. We've been in the 20s and 30s. We're in East Texas, so we're in the winter here. So, all right, there it is. Now, if you want to help support my channel, go check out the link in the description below to Amazon. Anything you go over there, anything you purchase over there, I get a small percentage of. No extra cost to you on that percentage, all right? And let me know where you're watching from. I don't mean your bedroom or your kitchen or whatever. Like city, state, you're not in the U.S., city, country. That way I know where people are watching from. I'm just kind of a nosy fella. I like that kind of stuff. So, all right. Check out the playlist. We got another one of these up there. Go check it out under technical. And next time. I'll leave you a link to the other weather station we did some time back down in the description below. So if you want to go check it out, just click on that link and it'll take you right over there. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.